We move on to the second essay, that is computers. In the modern world of technological advancement, for us, computer is a wonderful gift through science, isn't it? Due to this modern technological world, what happens? This computer is brought as being a wonderful gift by science. No one can even imagine their life without a computer. Why? Because this short time can complete many tasks in a pinch. That means within a quick time, with a quick seconds, you can complete your lot of work, lot of task. Computers have been a major contributor to the development of developed countries. It is not just a storage and technology device, but it is like an angel who can do anything. It is also used by many people for entertainment and communication. So computer help has been a help in different fields. It can be also used by many people for entertainment purpose, as well as computers can be used for your communication purpose. We can connect with our friends, family and relatives by using email, video chat, isn't it? You can keep connected with your family members. By using the internet on the computer, we can search or get information about any subject which is helpful for our project or education related work. Nowadays, money transaction is also very safe through the computer. So nowadays, even you can sit at home, no need to go to bank. You can sit at home and you can send the money, you can deposit the money, everything you can do it. Nowadays, money transaction is also very safe through the computer. Due to the inconvenience of data storage, there is a saving of paper in all places of government, non-government, schools, colleges, etc. Along with this, one can do things like paying bills, recharging mobiles and shopping from home, which saves both your time and energy. So you all are doing this at home, I know it, isn't it? As you all know, because of this corona, you can't step out of your house. So you can recharge your TV, you can pay your electricity bills, you can recharge your mobiles, you can send money to your relatives, everything without stepping out of the house. You can do it everything with the help of this computer. Because it gives us a feeling that we can complete those tasks faster by a computer, which is not impossible but also not easy conclusion, okay? Today, humans are completely dependent on computer technology. In today's time, no one can imagine life without a computer because it has spread its footing everywhere and people have become its beginners. Now all the people, even some are educated, some are uneducated, but now you find even the uneducated people, they know at least the basic, isn't it? How to open it, how to use it. It has also become an important part of every student's life. He can use it for making projects, for learning poetry, for downloading exam-related notes, for gathering information, etc. in a very short time. Along with increasing the skill development of the students, it is also very helpful in helping them to get jobs. So even those who are unemployed, you can, sitting at home, you can search good jobs and you can the computers help you to find a better job. Computers are useful in every field and every individual's life. Presently, due to the pandemic, students are able to continue the schooling process. So now as you all are not coming to school, but still the studies are continued. So you are able to continue schooling process. How? Only through online study. And this is only possible due to the advancement in technology and computers. Students sitting at home can attend the class through online and be safe at their homes without missing their studies. So, This is a very easy topic, computer. So if you want to add something on your own, you can do it, and you can even write your own essay. This is only what I have given. If you find it easy, you can copy down this in your notebook. I am going to send you the PDF file.